This is one of my favorite parts of these seat covers. This is the ops package on the back. You can see that it has MOLLE webbing here at the top for all your MOLLE gear to accessorize on the top here. This Velcro's open and closed at each end, so you've got a nice big pocket in here. I mean, you can put gear in here, jump starters, all kinds of good gear that goes in here. That'll Velcro closed at both ends there. Down below there's pockets here for all just, you know, gloves and gear and headlamps. 2 pockets there. And behind those pockets, again, is another pocket here with Velcro closures at each end. So again, you can put binocs in there and the gear, Velcro it closed, and you've got, you know, the horizontal pockets, the vertical pockets, the MOLLE gear at the top, sewn securely at the top here. A rifle can come across here, your ARs and all. And then you can also put, in many cases, another rifle coming across the bottom here, held in securely. Ops package, love it. One of my favorite parts is the ops package on these covers.